Hey guys, so we are going to be opening this box in my dad's car. Let's unbox it right now. Things can be a little hard sometimes, but it's a little hard. We're right next to Dragon's Lair right now. You guys may know that store has Dandy Comics. We got a jumbo card, and we got this card too, a 2000 Electro first edition. Okay, so we got the first pack. We're gonna open it up. I always think I have superpowers because I got a lot of good stuff in these packs. There's a code, and okay. 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 Eevee and an energy. How many packs do we have left? 3. Okay, so 3 more packs. Oh, Dad, would you? Ayo, I got the V-Star card. Okay. We got Machamp. We got a Pikachu. We got, don't really know what that Pokemon is. Oh, and a reverse holo and a little squirrel thingy. Don't really know what it is, but sounds a little weird. And so let's get this open. White code. Ooh, we got an Electro, reverse holo, a Ninetales, a something, don't really know. Okay, 3, 2. Do we still have one more pack? Do we have one more pack? Yep, we do. Alright, we have something good. Alright. Oh, okay. Energy. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Please subscribe. Bye.